Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space System32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space C:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.